Hello everyone, welcome to Navratri Fashion Fiesta, all brought to you by Mudrika Lifestyle and Exhibition. Everything is happening at Beyond Gallery. It's a two-day exhibition today and tomorrow. Collection में क्या क्या है वो आज हम आपको बोल के नहीं दिखाएंगे. So first of all, you have beautiful चनिया चोली with beautiful jewelry और men's wear भी है हमारे पास. Look at that with beautiful kurta detailing. Lovely. Something in shirts as well. Look at that. Hand painted ombre kurtas, beautiful chaniya cholis. Look at that. Something in very different patterns. Beautiful. Look at those beautiful chaniya cholis. Something in cotton as well. Something for kids. Beautiful. And something for wedding festivities as well. This is brand Western Roots. Hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am. This type of linen shirts I have.
Okay.
ये सब प्योर लिनन्स के अंदर मिल जाएंगे.
Alright.
प्रिंटेड के अंदर है.
Beautiful.
और कैंजा में जैकेट स्टाइल ऐसे लिटिल एम्ब्रॉयडरी के साथ ही अपने पास मिल जाएंगे.
Okay.
फ्रॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे अपने पास में.
Okay.
One pieces also I have.
Lovely. Look
Like
at
this.
that.
साइजेस अपने पास में एम्फिलिकल 5XL तक मिल जाएंगे.
Okay. Wow.
टॉप्स वगैरह भी मिल जाएंगे 5XL में.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Like this. ये सब 4XL की रेंज मतलब 4XL की साइजेस में रहेंगे.
Okay.
कॉट सेट्स भी है अपने पास में. Like this type of cot sets.
Very pretty.
प्योर लिनन के अंदर प्लस साइजेस में भी कॉट सेट्स है.
Okay.
Like this.
Look at that.
से व्हाइट के अंदर.
Beautiful.
Like a 3-piece.
Okay.
शॉर्ट्स के अंदर भी है.
Wow.
Like
A
short
lot
cot
of
sets भी है.
collection. Yes. Lovely.
के अंदर.
This is brand Rinaya. Hello ma'am.
Hello guys.
Yes.
We have lumpy border chania.
Okay. Beautiful.
White में है. With 70 meter घेर.
Wow.
We have halter neck chania.
Okay. Beautiful. Along with some printed chaniya choli options भी है उनके पास. Something in plain if you're looking for. Look at that.
Plain chania with lace.
Beautiful. Blouses के भी बहुत that. Wow. Something very different. This is brand Rutba. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Something for all the white lovers. Something for teenage girls.
With a jacket.
Something very different as a concept. Beautiful.
Then I have proper crop tops and skirts.
Wow.
You
Look
don't have
at
to carry a
that.
dupatta. I have many color options in that. Blouses.
Okay.
ये पूरा वर्क हेरिटेज है. ये काथा वर्क है.
Okay.
This is a jacket in brocade.
Lovely. This is brand Mivesh. Hello ma'am. Yes.
तो वी हैव नवरात्रि कलेक्शन
Okay.
स्पेशली और उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा ओनली पेप्लम एंड स्कर्ट्स
Okay.
एज वेल एज यू गेट ऑल लाइक फुल
Full
सेट
set.
आल्सो
Yes.
in which we do have multiple colors.
Beautiful. Look at that. Very pretty.
Very trendy rust color.
Yes. Absolutely.
And we have something for like semi-festive collection as well
Lovely.
in tissue.
Look at that. This is brand Kavisha Studio और वो लेकर आए बहुत ही सुंदर नवरात्रि हुए. They have something like this in a whole set option और उनके पास चनियाज भी हैं. सेपरेटली भी आप बाय कर सकते हो. If you only want चनिया, you want blouse, you want दुपट्टा, you will get that. Look at that flare. Blouses में भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास. Beautiful. Look at that. Color combinations. Lovely. Along with that उनके पास दुपट्टा के भी बहुत सारे options हैं. Beautiful. This is brand Guru Design Studio. Hello sir.
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, we have
So they have come up with beautiful chaniya choli ke options, combinations. Look at that. They also have kids wear, so wait for it.
hand painted.
Pura hand painted. Look at that. Very pretty. Wow. Look at the combination. Beautiful. अब कुछ kids wear भी देख लेते हैं. Look at that. Lovely. Wow, how cute. Look at that. Very cute. So a lot of options in them. Beautiful. Look at that. Along with that, they also have these handmade jewelry जो बहुत ही सुंदर beautiful दिखती है. From chokers to such long neck pieces, something in mirror work. They also have bangles. Lovely. Look at that. This is Anaya Jewel Hub और वो लेकर आए हैं बहुत ही सुंदर German silver jewelry along with anti tarnish, American diamonds, moissanite. सारे options हैं उनके पास. Look at all the beautiful pieces that they have. You can carry these for weddings, occasions, festivities, even for Navratri as well. But they are all very versatile pieces. Something in Kashmiri earrings as well. They are very lightweight, very easy to carry. Look at that. Very pretty.
Rajvi from Indie Roots. As you can see, we specialize in cotton Navratri blouses.
Lovely.
बहुत બધા collection છે, different styles છે. Young girls માટે બી છે, middle age માટે બી છે. બધું જ પ્યોર કોટન પર છે.
Okay.
એન્ડ બધું મિરર વર્ક છે, હાથનું કામ છે.
Alright.
બહુ જ બધી ડિઝાઇન્સ એન્ડ ઓલ્સો વી કસ્ટમાઇઝ. વી ઓલ્સો હેવ સાઇઝીસ અને તમે ઓર્ડરથી કસ્ટમાઇઝ બી કરી આપો. એઝ યુ કેન સી ઓન shimmer.
Look at that. Very pretty.
For Diwali you can.
So these you can pair for your Diwali festivities. This is brand Deepika Yolekar and they have come up with beautiful set options for your Navratri glam. Look at that. Beautiful options, colorful options, bright options. Look at that. Something in neon if you're looking for. Wow. Mirror work में भी बहुत सुंदर options हैं उनके पास. Something that you can use apart from Navratri. They have something very different like this as well. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. They also have blouses में options. तो अगर आपको set options नहीं but blouses चाहिए तो वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. This is Bunny Design Studio અને એ લઈને આવ્યા છે બહુ જ સુંદર men's wear. Hello sir.
Hello.
ઓકે સો એઝ યુ કેન સી એમણે બહુ જ સુંદર એક કુર્તો પહેર્યો છે. એમાં જે ડિટેલિંગ છે એ આખી રુદ્રાક્ષ અલોંગ વિથ શંખની છે અને જ્યારે તમે બેક ડિટેલિંગ જોશો entirely Mahadev એના પર બની. Okay. Every kurta has a different story, so you will have to come down here, check their collection. Hand painted છે, કોઈના પર મહાદેવ બન્યા છે, કોઈના પર Nandi is painted. Beautiful handcrafted kurtas. Look at that. Look at the work. Beautiful. Again, this is Bunny's designer studio. Look at that.
Honeybee of the
Wow.
kurtas.
Okay.
Motif was the honeybee.
Lovely.
Very catchy.
Beautiful. This is brand Shriyam Handicrafts and they have a beautiful curation of brass and wooden home decor items. Look at all those beautiful pieces that they have. These are very premium gifting items that you can gift. Keep it in your houses as well. Look at that. Very pretty. Beautiful. Very unique items. Some more wooden home decor items. Just look at that. This is Naomi's Couture and they have come up with beautiful lehenga options. Look at that. Something in dual tone if you like. Something in set options जिसमें आपको दुपट्टा, ब्लाउज पीस एंड लहंगा मिल जाएगा. रेडी सेट ऑप्शंस के भी बहुत सारी कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं उनके पास. Look at that. Along with दुपट्टा ऑप्शंस. Beautiful. और ब्लाउजेस भी है उनके पास, so you can mix and match the combinations. Look at that.